taking me over, making me older, making me doubt what I say now. Monsters in